Welcome, children. Today we're going to learn about one of Allah's beautiful names, Al-Kabeer. This means the most great. Let's discover together why this name is so special. Al-Kabeer means the most great. Allah is greater than everything we can imagine. He is the greatest in power, knowledge, and mercy. Look at the amazing universe Allah created. The countless stars, planets, and galaxies show us how great Allah is. He created everything in perfect order. Look at the tall mountains and vast oceans Allah created. The beautiful trees, flowers, and animals all show us how great Allah is. Everything in nature reminds us of Al-Kabeer. Allah is greater than the biggest thing you can think of, bigger than the tallest mountain, deeper than the deepest ocean, and greater than the whole universe. Allah takes care of every single creature, from tiny ants to big elephants. He provides food and water for all animals and plants. This shows us how great His care and mercy are. When you see something amazing, remember Allah is even greater. When you feel small, remember Allah is taking care of you just like He takes care of everything else in His creation. Remember, Allah is Al-Kabeer, the most great. He is greater than everything and He takes care of all of us. Let's always remember this beautiful name of Allah.